The print line command is not only used to display text, you can also print out the result of a calculation. For example, like this statement here, system.out.println 2 plus 3. Notice that I didn't put any quotation marks around this because here we don't want to display it as a text. We actually want the result of this mathematical calculation. So when we run this Java program here with those two statements, the output we get is hello world, just exactly as we typed in it here. But then the second line is just 5, which is the result of 2 plus 3. Notice how each one was printed in a separate line, hence print line command, and how the first one was displayed exactly as we typed in, while the second one was the result of a calculation. Computers can do a lot more than just displaying text on a screen. Yes, they can make decisions, perform calculation based on the information that we give. In fact, let me show you what a computer can do that us humans are terrible at. So let's play a memory game, and you might need a box and a few coins. So pause this video and get a box and few coins. Now imagine that there's this bus that starts off with no passenger on board, and then later on 3 passengers hops on and 2 passenger hops off. Later on 1 more passenger hops on and no passenger hops off. Later on another passenger hops on and another passenger hops off. Now my question is, how many stops did the bus make? Were you able to keep track of that? You probably might have done a good job keeping track of the passengers on the bus. Now it's also interesting to note that you only needed one box because all you needed is to keep track of just this one single number of passengers on board. You didn't really need to remember every single number I said. And that's exactly what a computer would have done as well. Let me show you how.